Based on the answer choices for this story question, the first thing I would think about is what number needs to be attached to each variable. Okay, so they do this sometimes. They tell us about this machine, and just to kind of highlight the right piece of information here, it takes the machine 10 minutes to make a large box. Okay. Well, later on, they say that the large boxes are the X variable. So I want the 10 to go with the X. And so that might just be enough to get the right answer. The only one that really has that connection is choice B, and that is the answer. The reason this works is because basically what the question is describing for us is the idea of a constant rate, which pretty much always means we're going to use a coefficient, which you've probably heard that word before, but you better know it just as the number that's in front of a variable. Those are coefficients. Those are usually how rates are going to be displayed when we have a story question. So from experience, both with just normal story questions in math, but also with the ones on the SAT, you will know what to look for here. I know that C and D look kind of confusing and make us think maybe there's more to this, but one other thing we can use here is that even though this is the hard module, this is still question 2 out of 22, so it's supposed to be easy. It's got a story that's a little hard to understand, but the math involved is very, very simple, and you will see this constant rate idea come up in lots of places on the math sections, so you need to be able to kind of know when they're talking about that and when what it's going to look like in an equation.